section number 3 and verse number 20. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ألم تروا أن الله سخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأسبغ عليكم نعمه ظاهرة وباطنة ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير. Have you not seen that Allah has made subservient for you whatever is in the heavens and the earth, and had bestowed upon you in full His bounty, open and hidden, and among people are some who dispute about Allah without knowledge and with no wisdom and without a luminous book. There is much discussion evolved around the commentary of this verse. There is much discussion evolved around outer and inner boundaries. Either beautiful appearance is an outer boundary, or the beautiful character is an inner boundary, or correctness of limbs is an outer boundary, or the correctness of beliefs is inner bounty, or Islam and the Holy Quran is a visible bounty, and mystical knowledge of the divine inner bounty, or Shariah is visible bounty, and Tariqah is inner bounty, or the propagation of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is outer bounty, and the love of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam is the inner bounty, etc. Tafsir Kanzul Irfan. From this we learn that with Shariah, Tariqah too is very important. Shariah is outer bounty, while Tariqah is inner bounty. For the continued existence of Shariah, we have the ulama, while for that of Tariqah, Allah Almighty has created the Sufi sages and the saints. Shariah is the name given to the physical details of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam life, while Tariqah is the appellation given to the spiritual state of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Circumstances of the revelation. This verse was revealed regarding Nadr ibn Harith and Umayyah bin Khalaf, who are extremely ignorant. They would quibble with the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam regarding the personality and attributes of Allah Almighty. From this we learn that ask an ignorant scholar about an issue, but don't enter into a debate with him, because this is the way of the infidels. May Allah give us more knowledge of the Quran, and may Allah give us knowledge of the Hadith, and may Allah grant us love of Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam, and may Allah grant us love of Sahaba Ikram, and may Allah grant us love of Ahlul Bayt and Awliya Kamilin. Ameen. Bijahi Nabi Amin sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam.